and it's finished. You can see I've done some detailing on it, some sort of scratches, rust spots. Originally I was going to leave it normal, but I accidentally dropped it a few times, so you got these scratches. But I thought I might use that chance to actually experiment with some artificial rust and detailing. So that's what I done there. So I just got some rust there and rubbed it in and then clear coated it, keep it in there. I've also added a decal to it, here a decal, I think that's how you say it. I actually ended up making these myself, because I didn't know which one to buy and they were really expensive, so I did some experiments with printing and paint and everything. Eventually came up with one that sits flush with the helmet, so it's nearly like a water transfer. It's more of a water adhering, because you have to use water to make it stick on to the surface. And so that's what it looks like after all that work. It definitely doesn't look like it was dug up. You can see the inside is smoothened out, so it's really smooth. Then the only thing that was left from the original helmet that letters was this. It was 293, so I just traced over it and hope that it's in the same spot. And it actually is in the same spot, because I tried to pinpoint it as accurately as I could. Anyway, that's all. I'll try to release a Vis 35 video soon.